Breaking news. Lagos Assembly adopts reports to court TINUBU, Fashola, and others' pension. Hello, my wonderful people. This is the new, this matter has been on for a while now. In Lagos State, the they've been looking at the pension of these highly placed people. What I mean by that is previous governors since 1999, when Nigeria returned to democracy, starting with Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, and then to Fashola, and then to our very own brother, who, according to, is it rumor now, Tinubu did not allow to stay beyond 1 year because he would not listen to the boss. Anyway, currently now we have Babajide Sanwo-Olu, a godson, who was in London recently, a few days ago precisely, to visit Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu after he was rumored dead. The matter has been on now by Lagos State House of Assembly to cut short their pension. This matter has been on for some time, and right now it has become a reality, so to say, because as we speak, the pension of the fallen persons have thereby been reduced. I will tell you the effect and why they are fighting back and saying, no, this cannot be possible. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Breaking news. Lagos Assembly adopts report to court Tinubu Fashola orders pension. Lagos State House of Assembly on Thursday approved a report of its committee on establishment, which recommend the reduction of pension to former governors and others affiliated offices by 50%. In a statement sent to Niger News on Thursday evening, the establishment committee also provides by the House in Abuja, and the committee has also expunged the provision of houses in Abuja and Lagos for former governors as stipulated in an earlier law operated by the states. So I'll just interject and I quickly tell you, if you have ever been a governor of the state, as soon as you stop being a governor, the state is mandated since 1999 to get you a house both in Lagos and in Abuja. They just have to get you a house. Beside the money they'll pay you, they are paying for your house help, driver, cleaner, and this is just your maintenance. So just imagine going forward. Let's continue. How many governors by the time we get to how many 20 something? Okay, let's continue. The report further shows a reduction in the number of vehicles to be made available to former governors and their deputy. They receive vehicles. It's governors and deputy houses in Lagos and Abuja. Let's continue. The Speaker of the House, Honorable Abbas, suggested that former governors should get 2 vehicles, a car and a van, instead of 3, as recommended by the committee. He also suggested that the amended bill should provide that the car be changed every 4 years instead of 3 years recommended by the committee. While some of the lawmakers at preliminary has suggested for an upward review of the pension for the affected public office holder by 75%, others urge that the pension remain as stipulated in the old law. However, Obas argued that it should be left at 50%, especially as the report has recommended the removal of houses and reduced other benefits. While reacting to the recent murder of President Haiti, Abbas said it was necessary to also secure the lives of the former office holder. By virtue of my office, I have seen former speakers who have just had to intervene in their lives because of the situation they find themselves outside office. We have also seen former governors in very bad situation, he suggested. Abbas noted that the argument of his colleagues that the projected downward review of the pension for the former governors and others could also affect by inflation and other economic consideration, but reminded that the House meets the wishes of people. One of such is the court of the governance. There is no agreement. We must realize that the democracy that, and we must realize that this is democracy and it's all about the people. We are here because the people recommended us here. We must represent the people. It is their goodwill for us to listen to them. We must realize that we will always go back to the people for support. So when we hearken to their argument to reduce the existence of their bogus allowances, it shows that we listen to their wishes. Abbas told his colleague, adding that he suggests to further reduce the number of cars because as you age, your needs continue to decrease, he suggested. So this whole debate is not about teachers. As we speak, some teachers' salaries have not been paid. I did not say in Lagos State. As we speak, pensioners, some are suffering. As we speak, families, some have not eaten. Now, am I saying that they should not look after former governors? No, 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 no. That's not what I'm saying at all. Not in the least. That's not part of the list. That's not part of the discussion at all. I'm not saying they should not look after former governors. They should look after them. They should make sure that they are okay. They've served. However, can this be the same blanket for all? What is the pension scheme for teachers? I'm particular about teachers because I know the work. If you're a child, you've gone through school, you know the work your teachers had to do on you. You know those tireless nights and your parents getting you extra teachers if you needed them here and there. You know the work, your parents had to go through here and there to ensure that you are who you are today. People taught you. Your parents were busy working, especially if you have parents that worked in the bank or those who were business people, not just those who have office hour, probably 8 to 4 or 9 to 5. You have parents who will leave the house as early as possible because they have to make sales. And you have parents who will come as late as possible because it's the nature of their business. So they leave you in the house of house help, extra teachers. Then you will appreciate really, truly that these people have done well. What are we giving back to them? Leave us a comment. We'd like to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.